Hey guys, quick video while I'm in this bathroom here. I get quite a few questions on which levelling clips I use at the moment, and people may have seen these ones popping up quite a bit lately, and normally I use these Genesis G-spin ones, which I really like because you can twist them and have the control on the tile, but the same with these new Bihui ones which I've been using, which basically do the similar kind of job. They just have a little metal tip on them, a little T-piece, which just slots in, turns, and then you screw them up and you still have the twisting control. So yeah, I'm really liking these ones at the moment, and you get a box of 50 like this for about £20. You can replace the inners, so if you have to snap these off, you can replace them for about £5. So they do work out about the same price as the Genesis ones. They're both really good, and Genesis actually supplies Bihui products in the UK, so there's a bit of a partnership there between both of them. But yeah, I'll just show you these ones in action, and obviously, as you'll know by now, we need to use these level clips to keep tiles flat. So I've got a tile spread up, ready to go on the wall. The wall's spread. So tile goes on, good push, get a good connection, get some spaces in the joint. So taking the level clip, push it in, turn, tighten up on the outside, and do the same on this side. Push in, turn, and then you can just adjust these to how far you need it. So again, another reason why I like these the same as the G-spin ones compared to like the wedge system is you have control over how much pressure you want to push down on tile just to get that fine tuning. Yeah, and there we go. You can see now there is no lip here at all, and so you just tighten them up to what you need, and they do a really good job. So yeah, these are now my go-to level clips, and like I say, I'll just take one off there. If it was still the same day, it would easily come out. If it's a couple of days, sometimes it'll still come out, but if not, you just overturn it, pull them out, and like I say, you'll just be left with an end piece like this, which I say you can replace the inner bit, but generally, like I say, you can sort of turn them, wiggle them out, the adhesive, even if it has really gone off. So, but yeah, I'd go as far to saying these are the best levelling clips on the market at the moment, guys. They're really easy to use, really easy to remove, and anything that makes your job easy is what we want. But yeah, cool. Just a little video there, guys, on them levelling clips. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.